honeys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I installed this curly frontal wig. So this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair Company, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received in my package. So I got this silk bag that you can put the wig in, a wig cap, a bag with some goodies. I got a makeup brush, some eyelashes, a melt band, a bonnet, and of course the wig itself. So this wig was a 26-inch water wave wig, and it had some brown highlights in it. So guys, look at these curls. I honestly love water wave curls. If you're not new here, you know this already. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks. It did come with a middle part, as you can see. Doesn't this look so pretty? And it was so long, it was nice. So I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig. So we have 2 combs at the side, 1 comb at the back, and of course we have the adjustable bands. So yeah, this is basically how it looks inside. So I'm just showing you guys one more time how the curls look, and now we're gonna get into this install. Alright, so I went ahead and plucked and bleached the knots a bit more, but yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace that was at the back, because honestly you do not need it. I'm adjusting the straps as well. You can make it loose, tight. You don't even have to use it if you don't want to. It's up to you. And now I'm just gonna apply my concealer into the inside part of the frontal with my makeup brush. So once that's done, I'm going to now prep my hair. I'm using my got2b free spray, and I'm spraying my hairline and using my edge control brush to brush back any hair that is just going to be in my way. And I'm also using my blow dryer to speed up the process to dry it quickly. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig. I'm using the comb at the back, and I'm putting it into the center of my braids, and I'm pulling the wig forward. So you always want to make sure that the frontal part is measured at the front. That way you know it's going to cover your hairline. And then once you've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace at the side. So guys, I will be using my Ebin adhesive spray. I have fallen in love with this spray. So I'm going to just spray the hairline, as you can see, and I'm just tapping it in a bit to make sure that it's all there. And once I've sprayed everything, I'm just using my blow dryer real quickly to just go over it. That way it stays in place before I put on my melt band, because I don't want it to move. So I just dried it a bit, and then I applied my melt band. Alright guys, so I decided I wanted a side part, so I'm just going in right now with my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just flattening the frontal part of the wig. So I'm gonna apply the wax stick to the roots, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the hot comb and go over it. So guys, once I finished, I just took off my melt band and I'm combing my hairline through because it is stuck. Well, it's not stuck, but it's basically stuck because of the adhesive that I sprayed on it. So I'm just combing it. And once it's all combed, I like going in with my hot comb. So that way it gets back like its normal feel. Unfortunately, I didn't get to record me cutting the lace off because my camera died. So I ended up cutting the lace off with my razor. And as you can see, I removed the band, but I did spray my hairline again. And once I removed the band, there was like a piece that was lifting. So I just sprayed it and dried it quickly. But yeah, this is basically how the wig looks once the hair is wet and the lace is off. I decided that I wanted baby hair like on the side. So I went ahead and created a little baby hair. So once I've created the baby hair, this is basically the look, guys. You can go ahead and wet the hair some more if you'd like. I kind of like when my hair looks a bit puffy, so I don't like to drench the hair in water. But I'm also going to use my little gloss spray. You guys have been seeing me use this spray. I love it. But I'm going to spray that all over, and I'm also going to apply it on my hands and onto the front part of the frontal. I just feel like it looks better. So that's what I do. But basically, this is how the wig looks. A shout out to Beauty Forever Hair Company for sending over this wig, because it's long, it's a water wave. I just love it. Like, you cannot go wrong. Plus the highlights, don't let me get into the highlights. The amount of compliments I got on this wig, like, everybody loved it. So I'm just showing you guys the curls in case you guys want to see them. And yeah, this is basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully you learned something. So all the hair details will be down in my description box below. You can go ahead and check it out. The exact wig that I'm wearing will also be there in case you're wondering. But all the hair products that I've used are on my Amazon storefront, so I'll also link that in the description box. But yeah, guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are not already following me on social media, make sure you guys follow me at nay.simone. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, comment down below any hairstyles you guys would like to see me do next. Bye, guys.